Welcome to the FlatPack Face-Off, where engineering experts Troy DeBest and Lucas the Legend will be putting flat duct connectors through their paces. Lucas will be joining two pieces of quality FlatPack duct together using the standard connector. Traditionally, flat duct is connected with either tech screws and mastic or duct tape. This should be a piece of cake for the Legend. He really knows how to handle the caulking gun. And here we have the one and only Troy DeBest with FlatPack's new self-sealed duct connector. These flat duct self-sealed connectors are said to be the bee's knees, ensuring an airtight seal between joints. But the big test is how fast we can couple these flat duct connectors together. We all know time is money, especially on big jobs. So let's put this to a time trial. And we're off. Look at them go. Wow, that lightning fast action of joining two pieces of flat duct together with the standard connector is amazing. The modular, slide-together design of the system makes it simple to install into most applications. FlatPack and its compact design makes it ideal for applications where space is limited. It features a smooth inner surface which minimises pressure loss and therefore improves airflow. Wow, what a legend! We'll switch to the duct cam to get a better view from the side. But what's happening here in the background? Troy DeBest with his flat duct self-seal connector looks like he's finished in record time. Let's rewind a bit. Wow, look at the simplicity and speed of joining two pieces of duct together with the self-seal connector. It's done in a fraction of the time and without the need of tech screws, duct tape or acrylic sealant. So there you have it. Standard connectors work well, but for lightning fast and minimal hassle, the self-seal connector wins hands down. And when time is money, that's really important.